tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause Hi fam, welcome to a new vlog. So it's a day in my life, like after school drop. So this is how I start my day sometimes. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Sonobek. Sonobek. It's a Slovakian name.
The other one for them.
Yes, must be.
Have you been there before?
No, not yet.
What are you looking for?
It's not money that will carry and go there. You go there just like that.
So I'll tell you, not where the come from. Now, for you.
It's money that will carry and go there now. You need money.
This one you're collecting is what?
Let me accept the name first.
This one you're collecting is what? This money.
The money is plenty.
Okay, what will you have to pay first?
The money to go there is plenty.
I will sponsor you now, you can do.
I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we both face our demons? Can we change like the seasons? I wanna make her better, wipe the makeup from her face. I wish I hadn't met her.
Guys, I just got home from midnight from the grocery, like well, I'm not calling it grocery shopping, just few things we need for next week, because today is Friday. Few things we need for next week. I went to the bank and I went to go and do some transaction like that. So the guy in the bank was like saying, "Man, you look different from before. What happened? Now why did I look different like this?" So it's because of my hair and my makeup. I did more makeup to use and go out today. But anyway, this Nigeria is it's something like just this bag and few small nylon which they are not inside, and I've spent like 60-70k. It's so annoying, like it's vexing me. The vexation in my skin is just something else, but what can we do? I just pray next year election is better, because this country is annoying. But anyway, scratch that. I got these face masks because I have never treated I've not treated myself with something. So I decided to treat myself with face mask, even though say after I use and finish now. If they say consistency is the key, we keep on using face masks and everything, your face will be brighter. Since the last skincare routine I did, that was months back. That was when I still had skincare, and my skincare is finished. To buy new one, I go first of all think of food, think of madam, think of oga, before I come and think of myself. So I got my girl that used to help us in the house, her birthday. So I just got her just small gift like that for her birthday. I'll give it to her on Saturday. So I got this perfume. Let me think of myself small. According to my mentor, say if you earn money, at least use it for yourself small, not only family. Because she knows me that any money I have, I don't use it for myself, I use it for my family. And she was like, "Girl, it's not really that good. Yes, family is good, but at least sometimes do something for yourself. Be like, buy something for yourself, so that you know that okay, this is the money I used to work for this is the money I worked for." You understand? So I decided to get myself this perfume. It smells good. This is a Sexy Girl Give a Trio, Hannah Secrets. So I got this for myself. It smells good. I like the smell. So sweet for madam. This is for hobby. Sahm, hobby, madam. For myself, I got myself a Greek yogurt. Then I got some sausage for the house. I got half plate of egg, for the house. I got Milo. I'm giving her 1 to 3 milk. Oh yeah, I forgot to check in that shop how much they sell 1 to 3 milk. So I'm giving her 4, 5, 6 milk because he has this. Is it NHN something something? Anyways, for activation of the brain and the rest. So I got that for her. It's almost finished, and I forgot to get her a new one. But anyway, she will continue drinking this one because she has been taking this before. Cowbell. So we'll continue taking cowbell till when I remember to take that one again. 4, 5, 6 minutes, she likes it a lot. I got spaghetti. I got Cocoa Pops for her for school. I got my granola. It goes with my yogurt. I got pasta. I got green tea, a necessity, chocolate for madam, sweet for madam, indomie, tuna, sardine fish, coffee for hobby, this cornflakes for school, for her school. I got some spices for cooking, Sonia tomato. I'm in love. Sonia tomato. I got groundnut oil because the groundnut oil we bought in our previous shopping has finished. Like I was asking myself, what am I cooking that my groundnut oil finished? I don't know. So I got another smaller batch of groundnut oil. Still got indomie again, then spices. And that's it though. My brother and my sister. And madam favorite biscuits. I need to cut on this because I think this is what is making me add weight. Like every day I eat this. I need to cut on it. So I think it's what's making me add weight because I've been doing intermediate fasting. Like I will drink apple cider vinegar, my green tea, apple cider vinegar, my green tea, and chai seed. Take that in the morning on an empty stomach. Then I'll eat oatmeal, do my workout, eat lunch, and that's it. In the night, I snack on this one. So I think this is what is making me to add weight because the weight is not even going down. I just give up on the weight. I know they check my weight again. I give up on my weight. Say I'm not checking again. But anyway, guys, that's that though. That's what I got though. This is all I got. And 70k. Don't waka. Like it is so frustrating. It's almost 100k, and it's gone. How annoying is that? But we'll survive. This year we'll survive. Alright guys, I'll see you all in the next clip when I'm making lunch for myself. I'll be having 2 egg, 1 noodles, like soup. Yeah, that's what I'll eat. 1 noodles, 2 egg because I need protein in my life. So 2 egg, 1 noodles, and tomatoes, and I'll just do it like soup. But that's what I'll be eating this afternoon. This morning I did not eat anything. I just drank only green tea and apple cider vinegar because my chai seed finished. So I'll tell my girl to help me buy chai seed when she's coming to work. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please watch my ads, guys. Please watch my ads because the revenue is not revenuing me. It's not smiling. I'm trying to push out content, and yay, I'm very, very happy again that my Facebook content I'm pushing there is at least they're doing well. So I'm glad about that. Yes. So guys, I'll see you all later. Guys, I just finished eating. I have done eating this thing right here. This indomie pepper soup, and I did a live stream when I was eating it. So I am done eating that. Let me wash clothes. Today is Friday, so wash clothes again Saturday. But this one now where rain dey fall. All this clothes now go take how many years to dry? Yeah, enter. Wait, let's check Oga's trout in case there's money inside. paper. There was a time I checked Oga trousers, I saw 20k. I saw 20k. Oh. If it was you, will you give Oga the money or you will put it inside your own pockets? I saw 20k inside his pocket. Oh. I collect am. I use and buy food. You no, but he chop food that day. I saw 20k inside his wallet, inside his trousers when I was washing one time like that. I used and buy food. When he came back, I gave him the food to eat. I gave him the food to eat though. So if it were you, will you away net light? Kai. If it were you, will you give him back the money or you will do this thing online here? Or you will pocket it? Me, I didn't give back, but I used it to cook food. Madam is back from school. She has turned my ass upside down again. Let me show you guys what she did. Now 5,000 naira light wey will give you 55 units. Now it's giving you 47 units. 5,000 naira light, Nigeria. 5,000 naira light that will give you 55 units. Is giving somebody now 47 units. Seriously? Where are we going to? Where are we going to in this country? See what she did. Show me your house. Don't tell me you are how they put that in. Don't say you have a child. Just show your when you show your it's how they put that capture sha. But anyway, see her. She says she's building house. Anyway, fam, I am done. I've done eating. I wash this clothes now. I have still have another set of clothes to wash. After I wash down and finish, I'll rest and that should be all for today. Not too much. Obi already have goulash, so I'll just do pasta for him. He has goulash sauce, so I'll do pasta. And that's it. And I'll rest. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I might be going to my sister's place, so I'll take you guys along if we are going there or not. Catch you guys in the next clip. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Hey, I don't know why I'm laughing or what. There's this song in my head. That song is very, very nice. I love the song. Alright guys, later. Ooh, nice. With malt. This one has pepper. Hi.